Hey everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Today I've chosen a very interesting topic. I want you all to speak, to practice as much as possible because practice is the key. If you start practicing from day one, it will be much easier for you to speak in English quickly. It will be much easier for you to pick up fluency and confidence in lesser time. If you start listening to stuff, if you start learning grammar, if you start learning vocabulary, and then after you feel that you have certain amount of words, or certain things, and then you can start speaking up or coming up with new sentences and describing things, then your process will become little slow. The journey will start then. Your fluency journey or gaining confidence or fluency will take time. So why can't we start from day one? So that is what I'm going to talk about today. And here in this video, I'm going to talk about technology. Why we should use technology to make our life easier, or what is the role of technology in making our life easier. If we know this, our speaking journey or anything, any learning journey will be much, much, much easier. Trust me on this. So today I'm going to take up this topic to make your journey easier, quicker, and effortless. On that note, guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, if you want to learn English, if you want to speak English fluently and confidently within no time, effortlessly, in an interesting way, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and don't forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay connected, stay tuned, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Let's begin now. So the first thing I want to start with is, why should we start speaking from day one? I understand you all might be very uncomfortable with this thought, like, how can I start speaking from day one? I don't know anything about English. I am not fluent in English. I don't have confidence to speak in English. How can I start speaking from day one? Right? But I want to challenge you. I can tell you that you can surely speak in English from day one. Trust me on this. Take my challenge and go ahead. If you are a beginner, if you're starting to learn the language, or if you want to speak fluently and confidently, and you want to build up a base for yourself, the first thing you have to do is start speaking. Yes, this is a cat. This is a dog. I love cat. I love dogs. Isn't it simple? Can't you speak this? My name is this. I love cooking. I study in college. Don't you think these sentences are so simple that anybody can make these sentences from day one? Right? Do you agree with me? Write yes or no in the comment section, please. I want to know it from you. So guys, we are very fortunate enough that we know the language, we know ABCD, we know the alphabets, we know how to read, textbooks, newspaper, or any article or anything which is there in English. We know how to read it. Where we lack is the understanding, right? We lack in the understanding of the language. Probably there's 4 lines written, and probably, maybe we are able to understand 2.5 or 3 lines, not all the lines, like what it actually or literally means. Or we might not understand the idea very clearly. Okay, but we know, we are able to read it. We know English. We can understand it probably 20% or 50% or 70%. Do you agree with me? Absolutely. So that is the advantage we have, and we have to take advantage of it. We have to take it ahead. So that is why I'm saying from day one you can speak. Start speaking in English. Start making sentences as simple as, I love cats. This is a tree. I'm going out. How are you? I'm going to cook something. I'm going to eat my lunch. I'm going to sleep. I'm going to brush my teeth. I'm going to take a bath. These are very simple sentences which you can make, guys. Start making these sentences. If you are lost, if you don't know where to start with, start describing anything which you are going to do at your home or at college or school or anywhere outside you are, wherever you are, in office or anywhere. Take 2 minutes and start describing like what you are going to do next. I am going to cook something for myself. I'm going to cook some curry for myself. I'm going to cook eggs for breakfast or anything. I'm going to brush my teeth. I'm going to comb my hair. I'm going to take a bath. I'm going to have tea. I'm going to have breakfast. I'm going to go out. I'm going to sit. I'm going to stand. I'm going to watch TV. I'm going to watch movie. I'm going out for shopping. Start describing your routine. Start describing what you are going to do next. It's a very easy exercise, guys. So start doing this from day one. Another exercise which is also very easy for you is whatever you see, whatever you're seeing around, take up one thing. Like for example, you're standing in your balcony and you're watching kids playing in the park. So you can take up this word park and you start thinking about words which are related to park, what you can see around the park. You can see flowers, you can see plants, you can see butterflies, you can see kids, you can see play area for kids, you can see other people also there, right? So come up with these words and start making a story around it, what you can see. Okay, so you can describe it like this is a park. The kids are playing in the park. There's a play area for kids which has slides, merry-go-round, swing, seesaw, etc. Whatever you can see, right? There are lots of beautiful flowers in the park. There are lots of plants in the park. I can see colorful butterflies. There are lots of elderly people walking around the park, right? So just pick up a word, start coming up with similar words or more things what you can see there, so that you can just start coming up with weave a story. You have to just come up with a story, weave a story around all those characters or things. So these are characters. Butterfly is a character there, plants, flowers, kids play area, kids, elderly people, or whatever you can see around the park. Those are characters and you have to build a story around them. Okay, so this is another thing which you can do. If you're sitting in your drawing room and you are watching TV, you can take up any word. You can take up TV and then start describing everything. You know, I'm sitting in my drawing room. So if you take television, what all things around you can see. You're sitting in a drawing room, couch, movie, entertainment, popcorn probably, right? Cold drink. So take up these words and start coming up with a story. I'm sitting in my drawing room. I am watching TV. I want to watch a movie. This movie is very interesting. This movie is very entertaining. I'm also eating some popcorn. I'm also having popcorn. I'm very comfortable watching a movie at my home. I love watching movie on my couch, on my sofa, right? So you can come up with any kind of story or any imagination. Whatever you can imagine, you can just put it across in your thoughts, in your words. So basically you have to put your thoughts in your own words. Try coming up with simple small sentences. What you can see, you just describe. What you feel, you describe that. Okay, so these are very easy exercises which you can do from day one. Okay, now, so I'm sure you're convinced that from day one you can speak in English. I've given enough examples, guys. You have to give it a try. Start trying that. And if you are not very sure about grammar and if you're stuck somewhere, I'm going to tell you how you can come out of it. Before that, I'm going to tell you in my previous video, last video which I have come up, I'll share the link also here. I have come up with some grammar lessons also. I have described things in present, past and future tense. So that is also a very helpful session which I have come up with. You can take help from that session also. Watch that video as well and you will get to know how you can come up with present, past and future sentences. That will also help you to come up with these kind of sentences. So grammar portion also you can start practicing. Now if you feel stuck, if you don't know if you are using correct sentence or not, or if you have certain queries in mind and you have nobody to help you out with, what you can do. Now here technology comes into play and I'm a big fan of technology. Trust me on this. I have learned a lot through technology. Yes. And guys, it sounds very complicated, use of technology, use of AI, softwares. It sounds very complicated, but it is not at all. It is complicated. Trust me on this. You have used mobile phones, you have used laptops, computers, iPads, everything you guys use, right? So you know how to use softwares. So you know how to use these systems, right? Systems and softwares. So if you have used all these things, everybody uses your mobile phone. So if you know how to use a mobile phone, it will be easier for you to use these technologies also, right? Which comes along with these systems. Now, what kind of technology I'm talking about? Technology like AI, artificial intelligence. Now, what is artificial intelligence? Wait. I'm not going to describe the whole thing here in detail. Go check out what AI is, what artificial intelligence is. Okay, but here how you can learn the language or English from AI, that I'm going to help you with. Okay, so AI is basically artificial intelligence. It is just a chatbot or an assistant which is going to help you with all your queries. In short, I'm going to tell you. Now, for example, this ChatGPT, there is Pi, or there's a lot of AIs which is there. WhatsApp has an AI which is Meta AI. Okay, then Gemini is there. What you can do is these AIs or chatbots where you can, speak and ask your query, or you can type it and ask your query. If you are stuck with some sentence, okay, you can just type there, I am playing football in the playground. Is my sentence correct? Put your query there and you will get the answer. So these are the simple ways of using AIs. If you want to know your sentence is grammatically correct, if you want to know what you can talk about a topic, you can just put in the topic like I want to speak on Indian economy. How should I start? And you'll get n number of options from there. Trust me on this. You can try with ChatGPT, you can try with Pi, you can try with Gemini, you can try with Meta AI. All AIs can help you with all these queries. Or if you feel that you want to get some basic grammar lessons, or you want to clear some grammatical doubt, you want to know some grammar rules, type it there and see the result. You will get to know the basics. Okay, so whenever you are stuck, if you need any help, if you have any confusion, you can just clear it out with all these AIs or chatbots, which is available at your fingertip. You don't have to do anything. You just have to download ChatGPT or Pi, but Meta AI and Gemini is there on your phone, so you can use that. So whichever is helpful for you, try that. But start using these technologies, start using AI, guys. It is definitely going to help you with. Okay, another advantage of using technology is you will always have an upper hand. You'll always be updated with new things. What is the new development in the market? You will get to know everything, right? What is the latest in the market? What learning app you can use, right? So these are all technology, right? What learning apps you can use, what are the features, new features in the learning app, whether you can join groups, you can have a voice call, you can have a video call, you can have language exchange partners, or you'll have a trainer. So these are the things which comes with technology. These are the things which are part of technology. If there is an app, what kind of features it has? You can compare 2-3 different language learning apps and see what all features are available and which is the best one, so that you can pay and get the advantage of that. So you can do that. So these are the things which will help you in your language learning journey. Okay, so that is why upgrade yourself. Keep yourself updated what new technologies are coming up, what new features are coming up, which will help you to make your learnings easy. It's not about learning English, it's about anything and everything to grow your career, right? What is there in the market? What is new in the market in your field? In HR, in marketing, in finance, in probably digital media. What is new? You will be updated. You can upskill yourself, which is very much important in this competitive age, in this competitive world. If you keep yourself updated, if you upskill yourself, it will be much easier for you to grow in your career, right? So that is why you have to keep a tap on technology. What new technologies are coming up? What is new in my field, right? How I can improve myself in this field with the use of technology. Start searching, start gaining knowledge on all these things, guys. Trust me, your journey will be much, much, much easier and you will be successful, definitely, for sure. So technology is a big part of today's world, guys. Start using technology in whatever you do. In short, to become a successful person, you have to start using technology. Start taking help of technology to upskill yourself and keep yourself updated. So guys, I just thought of talking about technology because whenever I speak about ChatGPT or any other AI tools, people ask me, have this question like, I don't know what it is. So that is why I wanted to take up this separately, and I wanted to tell you the advantage of technology, right, in learning a language or having a successful career, what role it plays. So I've given you enough examples and ideas. Start searching about it. See how you can learn new things by using these technologies and what new you can come up with. So start searching about it and start learning new things from these to make a difference in your life and career. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.